at 4. State health officials are saying Wisconsin can reach herd immunity in July. Now, anyone over 16 is eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine, and health officials say the state is on track to reach herd immunity by the summer. However, some health officials are seeing a small decrease in the number of people getting vaccinated.
If you look today, we're reporting the percentage of the total population that has been received their first vaccine. If you look at the percentage of adults or the people who are eligible for vaccine, we are over 50% of people have started their vaccine journey.
Secretary Van Dyke says Wisconsin has another 30% to go for those who are eligible for the COVID vaccine before the state can reach herd immunity. All right, millions of doses of the coronavirus vaccine have been administered right here in the state. But there are still questions like how effective are the vaccines and will a booster shot be needed? Eric Richards has the story.
As more Wisconsinites get vaccinated in the fight against coronavirus, there are still questions about the vaccine itself and how effective it is going forward. In the latest Department of Health virus briefing, I asked if there will be a need for a booster shot in 6 months after you've been completely vaccinated, and if there will be a need for vaccinations against coronavirus every year.
The answer, unfortunately, is clear right now that we don't know. We will be able to answer those questions when enough time has gone by and we've observed a change in the incidence of infection among people who have been vaccinated.
There are still questions about how effective the vaccine options are. Pfizer says that their ongoing trial indicated the company's 2-dose vaccine remains highly effective for at least 6 months or longer. Moderna's version also reported that it has notable levels of virus-fighting antibodies.
Effectiveness data is really strong, compared to, I think the general principle that people understand is no vaccine is perfect. No medical treatment is 100% effective. When we compare the clinical trial data of these vaccines, they compare very favorably to every other vaccine on our recommended schedule. 95+%.
The halt on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has affected supply here in Wisconsin. Still, there are high numbers of doses already administered.
4 million doses down and about another 3 million doses to go to reach 80% community immunity.
In Green Bay, Eric Richards, Local 5 News.
And vaccine makers, they're reportedly preparing additional booster shots or more vaccines if indeed they are recommended. Meanwhile,